Alright guys. I am so stupid. What is up, you guys? This is Ian of thebackpackerguy.com, teaching you how to travel smart around Southeast Asia and the Philippines. Today's video is not a travel video, guys. Today we are gonna be unpacking and unboxing a package that I bought for vlogging so that you guys can have a better experience with the vlogs. Today's unboxing is gonna be for the TAKSTAR SG. It's gonna be for the TAKSTAR SGC 598 stereo microphone. I ordered this from Lazada. This is not sponsored, and amazingly, I expected this to be delivered after March 20, but it's just March 14 right now. And it came. I ordered this March 11. So after 4 days. I also ordered one more thing from Lazada, pero it was shipped from Metro Manila, pero nauna pa tong sa China galing. Anyways, so I'm really excited to unbox this thing because it's gonna improve my audio na nadidinig nyo naman ngayon, medyo sabog. So maybe this is the last time that you'll be hearing this kind of audio na mono lang. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's go ahead and unbox this microphone. Okay, so again, this is the TAKSTAR SGC 598 stereo microphone from Lazada, and we're gonna be unboxing it now. Okay. Na-realize ko na this is the first unboxing here on my channel. Medyo masyadong malapit lang yung camera. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, there you go. TAKSTAR. And the tag, it says there, it's from China, so grabe lang. TAKSTAR. It says here na it's from Nanshan District, China. So apparently this is the back of the box. This is the front. Okay. And let's do this. Ta-da! Okay, so we have this TAKSTAR. This is the bag. Saan mo pwedeng ilagay yung microphone na pag di mo ginagamit. We have a TAKSTAR paper. It's a warranty card, huh? Okay, those are cards. There you go. That's the microphone. Nice. So it's just focus. Okay. So there you go. This is the microphone itself. Then there's this stereo. So wala siyang kasamang cable na pang cellphone. So it's just for stereo. Focus, guys, sorry. Then there's a battery and some rubber bands, so in case masira yung tension bands ninyo. So guys, ito na nga yung microphone natin na bago for our DSLR. I'm using a Nikon D5300, so hopefully this will improve the audio. Kasi yung ginagamit ko ngayon, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a lapel and I connected to the camera. And Ayan, sana mapansin nyo, medyo sabog at saka nga, mono lang. The TAKSTAR SGC 598, nagustuhan ko siya kasi yung mga review sa kanya, sinasabi na halos kasing ganda siya ng Rode microphone. I'm not expecting so much from this microphone kasi ay kulay, this is like less than $40. It's 1,600 pesos, so just do the conversion. Maganda lang dito, unlike dun sa Boya na microphone, meron siyang mga switches where you can add power sa microphone. So kung medyo malayo ka, pwede mong i-add yung power from 0 to plus 10 decibels para ma-reach yung malayo. And then this is the hot shoe. Oh, beauty vlogger. Ayan. And this is, dito mo ilalagay guys yung rubber band. Kung sakaling masira man yung rubber band na to, meron silang ibinigay na kasunod. This is the microphone itself and this is the wind cover. Feeling ko kailangan ko pa rin ng dead cat. So guys, that's it for our unboxing today. And thank you so much for watching this video. The next video, hopefully, we are gonna be out of the country or maybe somewhere around Manila. I'm depende kung ano yung maunang activity. I'm not really sure. Again, thank you so much nga pala dun sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin. Hindi ko nakikita masyado yung mga profiles ninyo guys. So, I don't know if you guys subscribe or not. Pero yung mga profiles na nakikita ko, if you like a shout out, please go ahead, put a comment down below and tell me na nag-subscribe kayo. I'm gonna do a shout out on our next video, hopefully. Pero so far yung mga nag-subscribe on my channel, thank you so much kay Princess Travels and kay John Mark Abad. Thank you din dun sa mga nag-comment. Oh, kay Miss Kyla Rivera, Jaministro, kay Miss Anna Rose Salamantes. Guys, if you have questions about Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, and Cambodia, just leave a message dun sa video comment section so I can answer.
Kumanan sa General Aguinaldo.
Tingnan mo ba na. Thank you po. Ingat po tayo dyan. May gumagalang fake na monkey. Alright. So we're here sa Araneta Coliseum to buy yung tickets na itong isa na to. Stray Kids. Manunod siya ng mga batang hamog. So it still is early. We're gonna get something to eat first. So this is a test of this TAKSTAR SG598 microphone. Hopefully it's a better quality. So let's go get something to eat. Alright guys, I am so stupid. Yesterday I decided to bring my camera with me to test this microphone, the TAKSTAR SG596, so that I would know kung ano yung capabilities niya. So nagpunta kami sa Starbucks at the Araneta Coliseum to have some breakfast, and I recorded some clips there. After having breakfast, my niece bought her tickets for the Stray Kids concert on April 27, I think. Afterwards, since it was lunchtime already, we decided to eat. So, dinala ko tong camera with the microphone sa food court ng Gateway Mall, and it was really noisy. So I thought that it was a perfect environment to know how sensitive and how isolating the shotgun microphone is. The thing is, I think I did not turn on the microphone. See, this is a condenser shotgun microphone, so meron siyang battery and you have to turn it on every time that you're gonna use it. And just think of this, how stupid I am. This is actually my second take for this video. I forgot to turn on the camera again when I first recorded. So ayun. So I guess yun yung downside niya. You always have to remember that you need to turn it on because sayang yung mga sinabi nyo. So right now, the environment here, I'm outside here in our veranda. We have the trees here and there's a slight wind going on. Tapos, there's a movie playing inside. So I don't know if it's picking up that movie sound, pero hopefully it minimizes. I guess that's it. And hopefully the audio has improved already compared to the last microphone that I was using and compared to the on-cam microphone that the Nikon D5300 or D5300 has. And again, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification icon so that you're always updated every time that I upload a video. So this is Ian from the Backpacker Guide, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!